In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create group chats for SMS in GoHighLevel tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a group text right inside GoHighLevel so you can coordinate with teams, clients, or leads without jumping between apps. Before we begin, make sure you're logged in to your GoHighLevel account, your location has an SMS-enabled number, and the people you want to include are already saved as contacts with valid mobile numbers. Start by heading to the Conversations area. You'll find it in the main left-hand menu. This is the hub where all your messages live, so it's the perfect place to manage both one-on-one and group chats. Give it a moment to load if you have a lot of ongoing threads. Once you're in Conversations, look for the New button near the top right. Clicking New opens your messaging options. If you usually send single texts from here, this will feel familiar. From the options, choose Group Message. This tells GoHighLevel you want to create a thread that includes multiple recipients and keeps everyone's replies in one conversation. It's great for quick alignment and transparent communication. Next, select the phone number you'll send from. If you have multiple numbers, pick the one associated with the team or pipeline this group relates to. Choose the number that's SMS capable and recognized by your recipients. As a best practice, keep your sending number consistent so people know it's you. Now, add the participants. Start typing names to search your contacts and confirm each one has a mobile number on file. It's a good idea to include only the people who really need to be there. Smaller groups are easier to follow and reduce noise. Also be mindful of consent and compliance. Only message contacts who have opted in to receive texts from you, and remember that recipients can reply, "Stop" to opt out. With your number and participants set, click Create Group. Your new group chat opens instantly, ready for your first message. Lead with a short introduction so everyone understands the purpose of the thread. For example, a one-line context statement and the action or update you need. Keep messages clear, concise, and relevant, and avoid sharing sensitive information over SMS. That's all there is to it. Open Conversations, start a new message, choose Group Message, pick your sending number, select participants, and create the group. From here, you can continue the conversation in one place and keep your communication streamlined. If you found this helpful, follow the same flow anytime you need to bring multiple people into a single,